7 ways your inner critic makes you hostile. It labels. You made a mistake. Suddenly, you are a failure. Didn't reach a goal. You're lazy. The inner critic has no gray area. It's just black and white thinking that boxes you into shame. 2. It weaponizes shame. It doesn't just remind you of your mistakes, it takes your humanity and twists it into a reason you are unworthy. This isn't just self judgment, it is emotional self harm. 3. It makes you fear rejection. When the voice tells you you're not lovable, they will leave once they see the real you. You start sabotaging connections. You isolate yourself, ghost people, and chase toxic validation just to protect your heart from being shattered again. 4. It steals your wins. Raise your hand if you've achieved something, but the moment it's done, your inner critic says, it's not enough. It could have been done better. Anyone could have done this. You will never get to celebrate because your critic always moves the goalpost. 5. It fuels perfectionism. The inner critic whispers, if it's not perfect, it is worthless. So you stay stuck, procrastinate, or work yourself into burnout just to barely feel okay. 6. It repeats negative self-talk until you believe it. Imagine being told every day, you are a mess, you are behind, you're too much, or not enough. Eventually, you don't question it. You just become it. That is the inner critic's trap. 7. It damages your relationships. If you believe you are unlovable, you cannot receive love. You push people away or settle for crumbs. Not because you want to, but because deep down, your inner critic convinced you that's all you deserve. Feeling this? Breathe. Now, we take our power back. If any of those 7 hit hard, this is not a coincidence. That's your inner child saying, I'm ready to stop suffering. Let's talk about how.